Guys, welcome to Learn with Kwabena Sante. In this tutorial video, we walk ourselves through how to project using this worship for the first time. So before you connect your laptop to the projector via HDMI or VGA, you first press your Windows and P, which gives you the option to project. So you see when Windows and P is pressed simultaneously, we see these options appearing. The project options. So we have PC screen only, we have duplicate, we have extend, we have second screen only, and connect to a wireless display. So for most of the displays, due to the enhancement in technology, you would have the opportunity to connect through them via wireless connection. So when we start from PC screen only, it means when you connect to your second screen, that is the projector, or better still, a new HD flat screen most at times people use for projection. The screen wouldn't show the content. That screen wouldn't show the content of your laptop, but your only your computer screen will be displayed. And you have the duplicate. The duplicate means whatever that is showing from your machine should be projected onto the screen. That means we have a copy of your laptop screen or your desktop screen on that second screen you are projecting onto. And we have extend. Extend means we should activate a second screen which all our workspace will be moved onto. So even looking at the symbol, we see an image showing how the extend will look like. So the extend means we have another screen behind this our laptop screen. We have second screen only. That means we deactivate our laptop or desktop screen and only use the second screen. But in Easy Worship, we use the extended screen. That means when we are working with Easy Worship, whilst we are connected to another screen through VGA or HDMI connection, whatever that we do on our machine interface wouldn't be projected, but rather it will project behind, which will be activated on that screen. So as we learned how to install Easy Worship, dealing with activating it and installing our Bibles, we now see our interface. As our profile has been activated, we see our interface. And basically, when you open Easy Worship, we have the title bar which shows logo and the software's name, Easy Worship, with your active profile. We have our control buttons. We have the menu. This is a menu bar and an icon menu bar. We have our schedule area, our live area, our live output area, our preview output area, then our active tab, contents of our active tab, and this is our tab. So these are the tabs. This is the interface of Easy Worship, and stay tuned as in the next tutorial we learn more of each of the functions of all the elements found in the interface.